Welcome, Jeffrey here. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn your book outline into a full-fledged manuscript using Instant Author. With just a few clicks, you can bring your ideas to life, streamlining your writing process and making it easier to transform your vision into reality. Let's get started and see how simple it is to generate your book from an outline. To begin generating your book, first navigate to the Outlines page from your Instant Author dashboard. Once you're on the Outlines page, look for the outline you've created. Once you find it, click the pen icon next to your outline to start editing. Next, click the Generate Book button to begin the book creation process. Now, choose the type of content you'd like to generate. Is it fiction or nonfiction? Select your preference here. Next, select the desired reading level for your book. You can choose from grade school, middle school, high school, or adult. Set your target word count. How long do you want your book to be? Enter the word count that fits your vision. Next, select the AI model that best fits your writing style and tone. Choose from the options available. Now adjust the temperature to control the creativity level. A higher temperature will make the AI's writing more creative and less predictable, while a lower temperature results in more structured and consistent writing. Now that you've set the temperature for your book generation, you can take it a step further with an optional pre-prompt. This allows you to modify the AI's behavior while keeping the selected system prompt intact by adding your own instructions in the pre-prompt field. Next, select a system prompt from the drop-down options. This is the base instruction given to the AI for writing chapters. You can choose a predefined prompt or customize it to achieve different writing styles, ensuring your book fits the tone and direction you desire. If you have specific preferences or instructions for the AI, enter them here in the Additional Instructions box. This step is optional, but it helps refine the output to your needs. Once you've made all your selections, click the Generate Book button. The AI will begin generating your book based on the parameters you've set. And just like that, your book is being created. To download your book, simply click the Download button. If you need the book in KDP format, click the Back to Books button, find your book, and then click the Download icon next to the View Book button. Thank you for watching. You've successfully generated your book and learned how to download it.